Isn't it nice when you find a recipe that takes you from start to on the table in just minutes? It's even better when the recipe is healthy, tasty, and involves little to no cleanup. Lucky for us, today's recipe is a foil-packed wonder that does all that. Let me show you how easy. We start by cutting 4 pieces of heavy-duty aluminum foil about a foot long. Then we place a handful of fresh spinach in the center of each and top it with whatever you're cooking. Today, I'm using U.S. farm-raised catfish since it's firm enough to hold its shape, yet delicate and flavorful enough to be cooked in foil. Next, season each fillet with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Top them with some cherry tomatoes, some fresh herbs, lemon, and a splash of white wine. After folding up the foil to make a pouch, place them on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven. You could also throw them on the grill. Once they're done, which takes just minutes, open them up carefully because they're gonna be steaming hot. Then serve everyone their very own packet and watch their faces light up. Once you taste this melt-in-your-mouth lemony-herb delight, there's a pretty good chance you're gonna make this your new go-to fish dish. To get the recipe for what we call our All-American Fish and Foil, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a southern farm-raised way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.